JK in particular, just a continuation of the vehicle that was built in 1941. It's the heart and soul of Jeep, Toledo being the spiritual home of Jeep. And so the continuation of this Wrangler in the JK JL series of Jeeps has just been, it's the lifeblood of Toledo. It's the heritage going back generations and generations. And this is just the next step. As you walk around here, you see some people are a little teary-eyed about the end of the JK, but you see the excitement. They are really excited about the JT that's coming, the Jeep truck. The customer's been waiting for this Jeep truck for a long time. So the history that's being made today with the last of the JKs, it's just going to continue on with the new JT that will come out next year. So that's the excitement that you see here. It's not so much that we're saying goodbye to an old friend. So you'll see some people who are kind of teary-eyed, but the excitement that's down the line here is really showing that we've got a very bright future, and everybody's excited about that future. The success of Jeep is important because that means the success of Toledo. You can't have Toledo be successful without Jeep, and the history has shown that Jeep here in Toledo has not been successful without the support of the people of Toledo. It's a partnership that goes back since before the 1900s, and it's continued on with the MB Jeep in 1941 and through today.
What makes it nice is I was part of it to set this place up over here. So this is kind of like my home also. The exciting part about it is we got the new Wrangler, right? That's going to take over for this Wrangler. So we're really not losing the Wrangler. We're getting a better model, okay? So that's very exciting to know that. What we are going to get now is a new Jeep truck, which is very exciting to us, you know what I mean? But you can just see the people, when they build these cars, when you were walking down the line and looking at them, they would wear Jeep apparel, the shirts, the hats, the sweatshirts, because these people here live and breathe Jeep. The atmosphere is great. Everybody was excited to know that they were part of history, to know that we built that many Jeeps in 12 years. That's great. When I got hired in here, we would build 50,000 units in a year. They're building 50,000 units in a month. So, I mean, how great is that to know that many people, not just in the United States, but the world, wants this product. It's a great, great thing to have.
Well, the funny thing is, when we started over here doing the 02-door JK, we were doing like 33 cars an hour, and we were celebrating. With all the changes that we've gone through, going to a 4-door and going to a bigger engine, we're up to maybe doing 50 cars an hour. So we are really proud of the success that we've gone through over the last 10, 15 years. So it's been a great venture, just a great opportunity for a lot of people. And it's a sad day, but it's a bittersweet day in that we're losing one vehicle, but in the same time, we're gaining a new one, the Wrangler truck. So that's good news. The day is such an amazing day. The ups and downs, the ups of gaining a new vehicle, the down of losing our pride and joy. But it's just a day of excitement. People are excited. We've got people that are coming in on the off shifts just to be part of this final day. So it's a great moment, a great time for the Wrangler, a great time for Chrysler, and a great time for the city of Toledo.
Well, I started here in '93, so it's been almost 25 years building the Jeep Wrangler, and it's sad, but it's also awesome because we're going to have something new, more improved. The technology is way better, and it's going to be a truck, something we've never seen or built before, besides the Scrambler in the past.